Eastern Shore had more homes go under contract, but fewer come to the market. It's Friday, February 3rd, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Showing activity in all counties is limited, and this week available homes fell again to 1,030 homes for sale. Only 58 homes came on the market since last report. 56 homes are coming soon, more this week than last. 86 went under contract. 94 properties went to pending, which is up again. 115 properties sold in 22 days at 98.4% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell over this past week was in Galena for $1,525,000. Rentals held to 87 available, but slightly up to $1,800 per month, staying on the market longer, up to 42 days. Is there a move in your 2023 plans? I can help. So let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, February 3rd, 2023. Thanks again for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.